And this is not just any pasta bake, this is an Italian meatball and mozzarella pasta bake using our Cook With M&S roasted red pepper paste. This recipe is also available in the new Cook With M&S cookbook that's in stores now. It's just a £5. I've got the oven preheating at 180, then the first job we need to do is get our pasta on, get that into some boiling salted water for 8 minutes and then we'll get it drained. Splash of oil heating in our pan, a lovely M&S Select Farm beef meatball, chuck them in and browning off for a few minutes. I've thrown in the garlic, we've got half the basil in there and then we just fry that off for 1 minute. Time to throw in that lovely Cook With M&S roasted red pepper paste. I'm going to add this lovely Italian tomato passata, however you could just use a regular passata or a tin of chopped tomatoes. I've knocked off the heat, now I'm going to throw in that cooked pasta and just give it a really good stir together. Now I'm just going to tear up that mozzarella cheese and just dot that in and around the pasta and the meatballs. And then I'm just going to dot that basil in and around the pasta and the mozzarella. It looks delicious. Now I'm going to bang it in the oven until that mozzarella is lovely and melted. This is not just any pasta bake, this is an Italian meatball and oozy mozzarella cheese pasta bake, the perfect family sharer. That is how I cook with M&S at home. Recipe on screen now. Recipe is also available in the Cook With M&S cookbook. Over to you.